defenders coming at A'ja Wilson. I don't know why Carolyn Swords has been able to get those offensive boards. Just hard work by the big girl. Seattle likes to trap on the outside, so when you go against them, you try to avoid those areas.
Stewart, pull-up jumper, banks. Short, that time a better box out from Natasha Howard. Bird leads for Stewart. Yeah, that's
fast-paced start to this first quarter. Angel McCautry already on the bench. Jackie Young in for her, for Vegas.
And Las Vegas got out to 8-0 start in this game. Now an 11-9 Vegas lead. Lloyd fading away, puts it in with a steal after Bird stood up Swords. Bird, no look, Stewart.
Give A'ja Wilson more room to operate.
Bird finds Lloyd. Lloyd on the attack.
She left that time and left McCautry wide open.
She is 4 of 4 from deep. Lloyd by Stewart. Here comes Bird. Bird, the flick ahead. Stewart. McBride will heave. No. Bird the rebound. Dishes down before the... McBride hits from 3. And McBride has gotten good looks. So
the vocal leader, the player, I mean, she put the team on her back in stretches throughout the...
For Stewart. Bird already with 12 assists, a finals record. Stewart on the move. Stewart. Bird gives it back. Stewart turns. Bird finds Stewart. Stewart on the run.